Ross, can you introduce yourself?
My name's Ross Angel. I work for Airefrig Australia. We're based in Australia. We've got 12 branches in Australia with approximately 110 staff. We're a major wholesaler in the Australian market. I look after Queensland as a state manager and also a lot of our engineering interests within our company.
Do you like engineering?
I do like the engineering, and I've had a long involvement with Airefrig in a lot of our engineering and our products and where we go with development with that.
So you'd be interested to know about our new hose on CO2?
Yeah, very interested, and I certainly see that there's probably a good opportunity for us in that CO2 market with that new hose.
What does the Gomax means to Airefrig in Australia? I mean, I believe you've been an historical customer for this product.
Yeah, over 20 years. In 2002, we started using your product. If I had to sum it up in one word, it's probably quality. For us, the product is excellent. It's what we class in the wholesale game as a no warranty product. We just simply do not have issues with it. It's a quality product. The market has had a lot of different products over the years, and Gomax has stood the test of time in Australia, and it's been the one product that's shone through in the Australian market.
You are buying all the three sizes, DN2, DN4, DN6?
2, 4 and 6 mil hoses. We do it in pre-made and kits, so contractors can make up on site.
Okay.
So the flexibility in the product has been excellent.
Versatility, yeah. Exactly, yeah.
Great.
Can you share particular success stories in the last 20 years?
The supermarket industry used to use a lot of rubber-based hoses, and it resulted in a lot of high leakage rates. So once we had the Gomax product, there was a very rapid change in the supermarket industry across to a thermoplastic tubing. In the supermarket game, it's excelled because of the flexibility of the product. It removes a lot of vibration from compressors.
Right.
We isolate, or are able to isolate sensors. Where we saw a lot was with our transducer life increase, because in the 2mm hose, it actually provides some dampening. So it did offer a lot to the market that they traditionally never had.
What about the support that you're getting from Italy or from us as a supplier?
Excellent. Any question we ask, you come back to us. Any technical support, your website's great. It's been relatively flawless for us as a supply chain. For us to be able to stock the product and get the support that we do from you and the supply continuity that we've had, even over and throughout the last few years with all the upsets that have occurred with COVID, we were still able to have a consistency of supply. It's credit to the company.
Now we are approaching the market also on the CO2 and obviously the whole system. What do you think?
I think it'll be another successful line that Gomax has. There's going to be more demand for the flexibility of this product, and I think you're going to have a winning product. Your concept with the steel braid, it adds a lot of strength. Your development and R&D must be well up there.
It's been a very good pleasure having you here.
Really enjoyed being here. And
me too.
Thank you very much.